Installation and training of the rolling machine for tin wire. Today is an important day for our factory. The installation of the custom rolling machine for tin wire had been successfully completed. Our team was well prepared to welcome the customer and witness this exciting moment together. The customer arrived with new tin materials, and everyone looked forward to the demonstration. We first took the customer to the newly installed machine, which shone with a metallic luster, signaling the start of its efficient production journey. During the testing phase, our technicians carefully loaded the tin material into the machine and started it up. Everyone focused intently on each step, watching the formation of the tin wire. The machine operated smoothly, producing wire that were uniform in shape and size, satisfying both the customer and us. Next came the training session, where our professional trainer explained the machine's operation and precautions in detail. The customer listened attentively and asked questions, which the trainer answered patiently. To help the customer better grasp the operation, we conducted a hands-on demonstration. The customer operated the machine under the guidance of our technicians, gradually becoming familiar with its functions. After several attempts, they were able to operate the rolling machine for tin wire competently and gained a deeper understanding of its features. The entire testing and training process went smoothly, and the customer praised both the machine and our service highly. This recognition not only affirms our work but also motivates us to keep moving forward. We believe this rolling machine for tin wire will enhance the customer's production efficiency and quality, and we look forward to more collaboration in the future. Moving forward, we will continue to uphold a professional and responsible attitude, providing quality products and comprehensive after-sales service. We want every customer to feel confident choosing us as we work together to create a better future.
对，我们要回拉出来的时候，你看这里，从外头开始画。这个是，你看你这个没有这么快。